how to download VirtualBox for your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the VirtualBox application for your Windows 11 computer. So in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for the sake of this video, I will be using the Google Chrome. So after you have opened the web browser of your choice, simply search for VirtualBox download and hit the enter button. Now from here you can see the first result that says downloads from virtualbox.org. So virtualbox.org is the official website of the VirtualBox. So simply click onto this downloads button and here you will find the packages related to the VirtualBox. And from here you can see that the current version of the VirtualBox as making of this video is version 7.1.8. So from here you can choose the particular operating system for which you want the VirtualBox. If you want the extension packs, you can refer to this particular download right here. But since we are looking for the platform packages, we will click onto this Windows hosts right here. So once you have clicked onto the Windows hosts, you can see our download has just begun and the size of the download is around 119 megabytes. So let us wait for the download to complete for this installer, and once that will be done, we need to click onto this open button. And now let's wait for the installer to open, and if a permission appears, you need to click yes in order to allow permission to the installer. Now here in this installer, it says welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox setup wizard. So simply click onto the next button, and from here you need to click onto the first option that says I accept the terms in the license agreement. So after accepting the license agreement, click onto the next button, and from here you have a custom setup in which you can choose which components of the VirtualBox you want. If you are a beginner, so I will recommend you not to touch any of these, and from here below you can change the installation location of the VirtualBox. If you wish to change the installation location, you can click onto this browse button, but for now I will be leaving it to the default location. And then I'm gonna click onto the next button, and here it says network interfaces. The networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed with the installation now. So I'm gonna click onto this yes button, and it says missing dependencies with Python core or Windows 32 API. So if this kind of message appears, you can click onto the yes button to bypass this, and then you also have some other option that says create start menu entries. If you want, create a shortcut on the desktop, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, and register file associations. So choose all the suitable options that you want and then click onto the next button, and then click onto this install button right here. And here you can see that the installation process for the VirtualBox version 7.1.8 has been successfully started. So now we will wait for the installation process to complete, and once the installation process completes, we will be able to access the VirtualBox application in our Windows system. And here it says that Oracle VirtualBox installation is completed. Click the Finish button to exit the setup wizard. So you also have this option to start the VirtualBox just as you click the Finish button. To do this, click the check mark and then click the Finish button. And now the VirtualBox has been successfully started, as you can see here, and you can add a machine using this button right here and import or export according to your wish. So that's how easily you can download and install the Oracle VirtualBox in your Windows 11 computer system. If this video was helpful to you, Consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments if it worked for you, or you have some better suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.